Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. In this video, I'm going to share with you two different tablescape settings. They're both for Christmas morning. One I did a couple years back and one I did last year. And I really need your help in this. From this is to let me know what type of tablescape I should do this year for our Christmas morning. I can't decide. I love them both equally, and I really would love to know your opinion. Which one do you guys think I should do? So the first one that I did is a more of a formal one, and I set it up in my formal dining room where I used my fine china, as well as I created this centerpiece using all the greenery out of my garden. I chopped it up, cut it up, and I put it all together as a one huge runner. And then I added these two, I think they're called hurricane candle holders, and put some battery operated candles inside of it. I think it looked very elegant and very formal. The placemats that I used were burlap placemats, and these actually came from a runner that I had purchased at Michael's, and I just cut it to size. So I created the placemats. The chargers I had thrifted from a thrift store, and then I just had these buffalo check plaid napkins on hand. I think I got them from my mom, but I'm not 100% sure. And then just some cutlery and some coffee cups. And then I also just added nice wine glasses for our orange juice and apple juice that we would be having for that morning. Like I said, this would be a buffet style type where all the food is set up in a kitchen, and then you just go and get it. The breakfast is typically just the four of us, so there's not, I only need table setting for four. So I really, like I said, I really love the way this looks. I think it's a very elegant and a very formal, and I love all the different mixtures of textures, and the fact that I'm not setting up the food on the table. The food is elsewhere. You just go ahead, get it, and all I have is coffee or tea. Well, it's mostly coffee at our house, and then also just some glasses for some juice, or if we want to be a little bit extra, maybe do some mimosas. So let me know what you think about this one. I'm just going to do a little bit more of an overview of it, and then we'll move on to the next one where I share with you also the type of how I serve the food on it. For the next one, I actually decided to share with you the whole process, how I'm setting it up. So I am using a burlap table runner. I do love that rustic look, and I absolutely love with the way red looks up against burlap. I don't know what it is about it. I just love the way that looks. I am putting also the protectors for the hot on there. I think, what are they called? The coasters. And then I am going to be adding some table placemat setting and placemats. I had actually purchased some of these at well, most of them at Dollarama. They are buffalo check on one side, and on the other side they're red with a little buffalo check mousse. So I thought that was kind of neat because I can use them, use both sides and have a completely different look. The chargers that I'm using are still those same chargers that I thrifted from the other video. I actually ended up getting 12 of, I think it was 12 of them for like, I don't know, $4 or something like that. It was very, very inexpensive. So this one, like I said, is a bit of an not very formal setting. I will also have paper napkins, not cloth napkins, and I will not be using my fine china. I will just be using my white everyday plates that I actually buy at Dollar Tree because we break plates like it's no one's business. So I just buy them at Dollar Tree, just plain white ones, and I think they go well with everything. And for this table setting, I will be setting up food. So I'm starting off with just some meat and cheese charcuterie board. And here are the plates that I'm adding. The cutlery is also just a normal everyday cutlery, where I think I forgot to mention in the other one, I did use my fine silverware because I have two sets that I had gotten for as a wedding gift. I was also making a full two casseroles for this. If you want to see, I have tons of different ideas for Christmas morning. I have two different videos for Christmas morning brunch, and then I also have just a regular Mother's Day brunch, which the recipes could really work for Christmas morning as well. They're all over on my cooking channel, and you can check them out. Full recipes and everything is in there, linked in all of the videos. So I'm using this little caddy that I picked up at Dollar Store just to hold all of my condiments like a mayo, ketchup, mustard, and some hot sauce. I'm not using wine glasses, I'm just using mugs for this one. So as you can see, it's all nicely set up, very casual and cozy. I love this one just as much as I love the other one. I would love to know which one I should do. You guys let me know which one you think I should be doing. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and there's one more video coming your way, and then we're going to be taking a break for Christmas. So I hope to see you in my next video, and until then, thank you so much for watching. Bye.